ever streamed at. Right. Annie and that probably gonna be like, Rowan, why are you streaming? You said you can revise. I am revising. Right, honestly, I have no motivation to do revision. So, and if I have my iPad next to me, I will not concentrate properly. So, I'm streaming, so I'd actually get no notification about I'm streaming, which is odd. You'll notice that in Minecraft streams. And yes, I have my phone. I'll put it on Do Not Disturb. Do Not Disturb on my work. Yeah, that sounds all notifications. Right, okay. I am doing math. Oh, it's also on my iPad. I'm doing maths paper 2. Right. Maths paper 2, 2019. Right. Don't judge how I hold my pen, okay? Yeah, I hold it like that for some reason. I don't know. It's just how I've done it all my lifetime. Well, other than when I was a baby and I hold it like that. But I think everyone does that. Right, okay. Anyway. Right, question 1. We're also going to mark this live. Okay. Question 1. Put them in order. Okay. That's simple enough. Okay. Question number 2. 8. Oh god, that's not an 8. 8, 3, 7, 5. It's the nearest 1,000. That would be 8,000. I'm going to underline my answers. 0.23 as a percentage, 23%. Right, this is a calculator paper, by the way. Square root of 17.64. We go calculator. Literally here, see? It's on standby. Square root of 17.64 equals 4.2. 4.2. Question 5. We are going fast, guys. Fast, sorry. 6 to the power of 5. That would be... Shut up. 7,776. Oh, this is going to be fun, isn't it? Right. There are 14 rows of seats in a cinema. Okay. There are 15 seats in each row. A film was shown in the cinema. Each ticket. The film cost... the total cost of the tickets were that. How many tickets were not sold? Right, okay. That was pretty simple. 14 times 15 equals... Look, stop judging me. I don't know my 14 or 15 times table. So, there's 210 seats. Right, so 210 times 650 equals... 1,365.00. Just put that in for extra precautions. Then that minus 1274 equals what am I doing? Sorry. I think I've done it wrong. Oh no, so right. What I've done, I've found out how many seats there are, times that by how much money each seat is, which is 1,365, minus it by how much money was, well, how much money they got, which then is 91. Then I need to do 91 divided by 650 equals 14. So there were 14 seats not sold. Is that correct? So 14 is my final answer. Harry. Fucking hell. PTSD, my brother. 20 sweets. He gives 7 of the sweets to Nadia. He wouldn't do that. What fraction of 20 sweets does Harry have now? Right, he has 20. This is... He has 20 minus 7 equals 13. Right, so he has 13 over 20. Do you want it in a simpler form? That is the simplest form, from my knowledge. Which isn't very vast, but 13 is a prime number. Yeah, 13 is a prime number. A number machine. Oh, fucking hell. Right, work out the output when the input is 6. So 6 times 8. So 6 times 8, 48. Minus 5 equals 43. And that's it. 43. Hold on, someone keeps on messaging me and it's still coming through. So let me tell them to fuck off. Just gonna let them respond real quick. So they give me their response. Right, we're on 8 minutes and we're on question 8. That's 1 question a minute. We're doing alright. Here's a different number machine. Ooh. 8B. Input is 17 plus 13 equals 30. 27, 28. Yep, 30. And the output is 10, so it would be minus 20. Right. Yep, that looks right. Question 9. Oh, here's a list of numbers. Work out the median. Median, I swear, is put them all in number order and find out the middle one. 3, 4. The reason why the name is in the title is first, so when I go back to doing revision, I know that I'm not doing the same paper twice. And 2, if you want, you can check out the paper and mark it with me. So, median 6 minus 4 equals 2. That is my final answer. 9B. Oh, fuck's sake. Right, let me take this plastic cover off my book, actually. Definitely not doxing my school. Right, what is the chance that she picks a number that is an odd number? Right, what are the odd numbers in here? 3. I've forgotten what an odd number was. Hold on. Oh my god, Rowan, you're so stupid. I was thinking of prime numbers, not odd numbers. Sorry. I actually feel so fucking embarrassed. What the hell? I've forgotten the difference between prime and odd. Odd. Six is an odd number, is it? 7 is. Oh my god. What is wrong with me? 3 and 9. Right. Fucking hell. I mean, so that's 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the probability 2 over 6? Right, yeah, that's it. So if I get that wrong, someone execute me. Right, so the mode is 3. So the cards we have definitely are 3, something, 8, 5, and something. So we need to have another 3. But, big but, we need to add them all together. So, we know that 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5, just to remove human error, because I lost out most of the marks on that on my test. Add them all together with the calculator equals 19. 19 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because there's 5 cards. 19 divided by 5 equals 3.8. Problem. So the mean is 5. The mean is when you add them all together and divide by how many numbers there are. So, ooh. No. Right, so we need to know, right, 25 minus 19. That'd be like 6. So, the missing number is 6. Because if you do 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6 equals 25 divided by 5 equals 5, yeah. So, the other one is 6. So, 3 and 6. And that's 9C. Right, we're still on good pace. Here is the charge at a car park in Spain. 0.024. John parked his car in this car park. John drove into the car park at 10:45. When he drove out the park, he had to pay 8.40 euros. So what time did John drive out of the park? So, you would simply do 8.40 divided by 0.024, which is, bear with, 350. So that's 350 minutes. Then I'm not going to write this down, but 350 divided by 60, no, let's not do that. 350 minutes, 6 times 5, 4, 24, 6 times 7, 42, okay, 6 times 5, 30, so 6, 12, 18, 20, yeah, bear with, yeah. Got to cool down to get chocolate, bro. What the fuck? Lost my train of thought now. I was drowning in my own sorrow because I couldn't remember my 6 times table. That's where I was, right, okay. Need to put this into hours, so... Right. 5 hours and 50 minutes. If he got into the car park at 10:45 plus 5 hours, that brings us to 15:45 plus the 50 minutes, that brings us to plus 50 minutes brings us to 16, 40, 50. Yep. 50 minus 15 is 40, 35. Yep. 16, 35, which is also equivalent to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 4:35 p.m. That's the answer. Right, we've got a graph question. Ooh. Use the same graph. You can use this graph. Yeah, okay, right. Change 3 stones into kilograms. (15, 16, 17, 18, 19). What question is this? 11. 19 kg. 80 kilograms. Right, doesn't go up to 80, so 40. Brings us to their midpoint of 6.24, 6, 8, 10. 6.23, 6.3. 6.3 stone. Right, let's see one of these now. This one tripped me up the second I saw it. Find the number that is exactly halfway between 1/10 and 3/5. So, get a common denominator, that's 6/10. In between 1 and 6. Say 3/10, I'd say. So either 3 or 3.5. If we turn it into numbers, that'd be 3 divided by 10. That'd be 3.5 divided by 10. We're going to do that to be safe, because 3.5... No, it wouldn't be. It'd be 3. 0.3. We're just going to do 3/10, because it's the same thing, isn't it? But it says... No, it doesn't say integer, so it can be a fraction. Draw this shape with a scale factor enlargement of 3. Fucking die. I'm very happy, guys. By the way, you're wondering why I'm doing revision so late? It's because I'm going to admit I'm an absolute twat. And it was year 10s, I'm going to say this, who encouraged me to do revision. Anyway, moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 2, 3. It's 2. 1, 2, 3. It's 3. Does that look right to you? Went from that to that with a scale enlargement of 3. I think it did. Quite happy with that. That is question 13. How many questions are there? 30. Fun. I saw graphs. I don't like graphs. A shop sells compost. Oh, fucking hell, I can't be arsed. Hi, Joe. Hey up, lad. Right, okay. Gonna do one thing before I continue with this question. Do you want to know what that is? No, we're not. Anyway, so a shop sells compost in 20 litre bags and in 40 litre bags. By the way, if you're wondering what question we're on question 14. 28 minutes in. A shop sells compost in 20 litre bags and 40 litre bags. One day the shop had 2 special offers for compost. Which offer is better value for money? You must show how you get it working. Right. Question 12. No, that's the age you go for, Joe. Right. First we need to make the bags equal so they each have 40 litres. So, 4 bags. 4, 7. 3 bags. 4, 9. Right. We're going to times this by 4. 4 plus 7 plus 13. What are you even looking at, bro? What? What? And this is times by 3, which is 12. Right, so company A Rowan, what's your prediction in maths? 5. So in A, it's 12 bags for £21, and in B, it's 12 bags for £36. That's the same amount of Question 14. So for the one that's 20 litres, and yeah, litres. Why is it in litres for compost? Anyway, A, it's 12 bags for £21. My predicted grade in maths is a grade 5. B, it's 12 bags, £36. So the one that's better value for money is 2 bags for £3.50. Right, I need to wait. Right, okay, go on then. Go to the toilet. Do you know what I would love if someone made a row wanted mentality video? That could go in it, like, right, I need a wee. Okay, go. Then the, like, sound. The length of the plane is 19. Fucking hell. Right. So the length of an actual plane is that. Okay. That was an epic. Yeah, well, it really wasn't. I'm just taking the piss. Have you seen how much hate I've been getting for my song? Like, it's just unreal. Send link to paper. Right, okay, hold on. Let me copy and paste this link real quick. It's on Maths Genie, by the way. Joe, out of all people, you should know you're literally going to my school. You know we're doing Edexcel. Like, what do you mean, send link to the paper? What are you doing? Does that link work? Yeah, it does, okay. Do I like Radiohead? I think. I mean, I haven't really listened to their songs for a while. I'm not good... Okay, one thing you should know about me. I'm not good with artist names. I'm good with just... if I know the lyrics. Right, we're on question 15, by the way. So... 460.8 centimeter. Do you like... I'm a creep, I'm a weird... How did I fall for that? How did I fall for that? I know what you've just done. That's not even a song, is it? Is it actually a song? I thought you just wanted me to say that. Never heard it. Evidently. I don't know, Joe, what are you doing here? I don't belong here, okay. I mean, I'm just doing revision, because I got told to, so I'm doing it. Anyway, that is... in meters. We need to make it Your skin makes me cry. Nice. How many centimeters in a meter? 100. So we times that by 100. 46080 centimeters. That's the answer. I float like a feather in the beautiful world. 2000. Right, okay. Maria invests 4,500 in saving accounts for 3 years. The account paid simple interest rate of 1.8 per year. Right, so I need to find out 1.8% of 4,500. So 1.8 shift percent times 4,500 equals. Don't think that's right. I need to work out how to do that on a calculator actually. Right, 1.8. No, that can't be right. Fucking hell. So, Huh. 81. Right, we're getting somewhere. 81 times 3, because it was 3 years. Equals 243. Bear with. So she gets £243. Why aren't my comments going through? I don't know. But I got that comment. I don't actually have a filter on my chat, so I mean, Rowan, do you have a... No. No, I'm not reading that out loud either. If that's the types of comments you're trying to put through in my chat, I'm not surprised they're not going through. Jesus Christ. No, I don't have a tail either. And no, I'm not turning around. Right, this isn't even trig or anything, is it? ABC is a straight... ABC is a straight line. Nice one. AB equals BC equals BD. Angle DAB DAB equals 64. Right. Work out the size of the angle marked X. Pag. There's no P on here actually. So that's obviously two triangles. So that, because they're parallel lines, that will be 64. So 64 plus 64 equals 128. I'm going to do 180 minus 128. Equals 52. So that is 52. Then we do 180 minus 52, which will be 128, won't it? Fuck's sake. I believe it will be. Yeah, it will be. Okay, alright. Right, if that's 64, 180 minus 180 minus 64 equals 116. One 16 minus 52. No, what the fuck am I doing? Maths, English, triple combined science, history, geography, religious studies, DT, art ceramics. What the fuck, Joe? Do you just find fun in saying weird shit? Just a question, not answering. Yes, actually. I do not play guitar, no. Don't even want to. I do not play an instrument. My voice is not an instrument. And I'm not singing a cappella. Thank you. How do I actually do this? First we'll do 64 plus 52. which is 116, 180 minus 116. Heavy Hearts. That's not even the name of the song, it's Heavy Heart. I actually don't know how to do this question, which is not good, that's worrying. AB, that, is equal to BC, which is that, which is equal to BD, which is that. So these two need to equal 115. Right, so that means this must be 64. Didn't say 52, it's probably wrong. But it is a 4-mark question. Are you taking anyone to prom? Oh, I love that question. Love that question. Let's get one thing straight. I know someone I'm taking to prom. 2, don't care if your sister likes me. 3, your sister's probably like that old. 4, Laura is not your sister. Pretty obvious. Anyway. Ben is... Okay, this might actually be accurate for your sister's age. Ben, Joe, is N years old. Chloe, Joe's sister, is 2N. Dan, Laura, is 5 years younger than Ben. 2N minus 5. Total Ben's age, Chloe's age, and Dan's age is T years. So that would be N plus 4N minus 5 equals T. His sister is 7. My point. So that's just 5N minus 5 equals T. And Laura, I know you are not 7, so you are not his sister. Unless if you're like a 7-year-old that looks like 5... No, like, you're not 50. You're like... You look around 17, 18 years old, Laura. Remember, I think you're forgetting I did a FaceTime with you, like, ages ago. On a live stream. Oh, 5N minus 5 equals T, that's what I need to do. That is the answer. I don't need to actually work it out. What? In the table below, put a tick in the box next to the identity. What does it mean, next to the identity? I have no clue. Maybe 5m minus 3m equals 2m? Don't know. Nearly an hour in. We got an hour and a half for this, and we're on question 19. We're on good pace. Is there any drink left in here? No, I'm going to go get a new drink. You guys can ponder on this question for a minute if you want. You can't even see it. Anyway, I'll be back. You're welcome. You guys probably heard all of that, didn't you? Anyway. Yet I do fear thy nature is too full of the milk of kindness. Actually. Anyway. Act like the innocent flower, beat the serpent under it. It's another quote. Right, we're on this question. Who only agreed to make 16 biscuits? We do not want 16 though. We're probably going to want like 1. So, what does it want us to do? How do I work out the greatest number of biscuits we can make? So, how often do you The fuck type of questions are these? Not maths. Because I'm eating. I shower every single day. Is that good? For your answer, is that what you need? Right. Okay then. Whatever floats your boat. I don't buy it. Okay, don't buy it then. But I don't think you go around school smelling me, so... Do not know how you'd know that. Twice a week? Are you crazy, bro? That's just dirty. Right. Just gonna do this for ease. I'm gonna say we can make 4. The fuck? Right. BS. Bullshit flour. Right. Times 2. Times 2. Times 2. Fuck's sake. Right, so that's 32. Right, I need to find out how much it is to make 1. I swear it's just this divided by 16. This makes me want to kill myself. Joking. If the school's watching, I'm joking. Well, it can't be. For 1. Right, that's for one biscuit. So, if we have 500 minus 350, we have 150 butter left. Alright. Oh no, don't worry guys. $32 plus 7. Don't ask how I got that, but I'm saying you can make 39 biscuits maximum. Only on question 20. Fuck me. Don't actually. And Laura, can you do one thing? Can you stop calling me dear? It makes me very uncomfortable. If you're wondering what I mean, if you're not Laura, go look at TikTok and look at my sign. I think it's the first video I ever posted. I think it's that. Right. The building is F floors high. The tall building is 110 floors high. The real height of the building is 442. Seb uses a formula to find an estimate of the height of this building. He then finds the difference between his estimates and real height, shows the difference is less than 5% of the real height. I'm going to show that. Okay. So. 4 times 110 plus 12. That's the formula. Alright, that's done. That did not make sense at all. 21. Two things that are wrong, right? The dots are connected and the scale is wrong. Right, a pencil is 128 millimeters. To nearest millimeter. So, to do that, something millimeter, millimeter. Now, I need to go back to my book for this one because I actually can't remember. Where is it? We did error interval for the starters. Thought I got to it then. Didn't. Can't remember. I'm just gonna go 120. So that's 128. Oh no, what rounds up to 128.5? 128.6? No, 8.4. Yeah. That's done now. 23. I have 247. That's quite a lot of stamps. The ratio is 3 to 7. The ratio is 3 to 7. So 240 divided by 10 equals 24. And do 24 times 3 equals 72. 24 times 7, 168. Hmm. One six eight divided by 8 equals 21. Then 21 times 3. 63. The ratio. 63. Right, so that's 50 people. Yeah. No, that wouldn't work. No, it would. $170. Hold on. Is it this one? Oh no, so... Anyway. Graphs. We love graphs, sorry. Oh, I'm not cheating, what do you mean? Don't even think it's this paper, it's not. I didn't cheat. Number 26. If I get that wrong, that's embarrassing. No idea what I'm going to 13. But I don't actually know the answer, so I mean... ah. That can't be it, because... $28, come on. Nearly there. $29. Right. That's the volume of that. No. Right, last question. Column vectors. Right, done. Mark time. I think that's solid. I think I missed out on quite a few marks, but I think that's solid. This isn't the paper I did. Okay. Thought I missed out on the mark, but I didn't. about that. Okay. Where's my green pen? That one. Right, that's not bad. That is not bad. Three. Math isn't mathing there. We're not doing bad. Got absolutely nothing on that. Right, here we go, this one. Alright, I'm just going to write this down. I got that. So that's 1 mark. That's 2 mark. I missed that one, was 180. Minus 128 divided by 2 equals 26. 2, 1. Oh, so close. But 39, the answer was 40. Damn it. I'm gonna quickly try to copy this down. Alright. It's 1 mark. 2 marks. looking at how many marks. Alright, I think that's it. It's not looking dreadful, guys. I'm gonna be honest. The question I cheated and I got wrong. Karma. Look at it that way. Nowhere close. I'll be honest. Five marks. Never seen a question for 5 marks before. Right, that 5 marker might have pushed my grade up quite a bit. Right, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56 out of 80. And that's 70%. Grade 4. Well, could be worse, could be better. Back to my book. That is proof that revision is needed. And I will do it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, please remember to like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. And I will see you when I next do a stream. Goodbye.